Hello friends, now we will see some advanced commands in Linux Ubuntu. Now I am opening the my Ubuntu app. So now in this Ubuntu app, I will show how to display a calendar. So the command is cal, so it displays the current month, and there is a new command ncal which has only one difference, that it is vertical and the cal is horizontal. So normally we are goes to vertical. So that is this the first NCAL returns in the format that the India is required. So now there also one more difference is today is 16th of May, so it is not highlighted here. But in NCAL it is highlighted the 16th, so that's the difference. So now we will move to next command, that is the date command. Date command has a format like date, then it has a current date, and date format is is default format is the argument. So it is suppose my birth date is 20 March 1993. So what I will do is I will just type that is a month, then dd, that is the date, then hour, so 40, then minutes is 45, and then the is one more parameter, that is year, so last two digits of the year 1993. So see here, it is come Saturday, March 20. This is the default format of Unix. Weekdays, three characters. Month, three characters. Then the date. Then the HHMMSS format. Then time zone. And then 19 year. Four digit year. This is the basic format. But what if I want to have some messages inscribed in the date? So what I will do is I will just write date plus sign in welcome on, so it is showing welcome on today. Today means today's time. So this is the use of date. Now we studied two commands. You can say date and cal. Now we will study how to write. You can say uh, I'm going to get the name. So what? Yeah, how to use the find command to execute a certain to execute certain you can say execute commands. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Execute commands. So the first command we will run is we will remove all the text files. So, see, suppose we will go to the options first. We will go to open a new terminal. We'll open GIBit. In GIBit, I will so find command, as you know, takes multiple tests. So suppose a file has n links to it. This is n and this is n. The file has n symbolic links to it. It will pass the test. So that file will be selected. But if I want another thing, like I want the permissions to be 755, then only the file, if the file has permission 755, then only it will be selected. Then if the user name is Gaurav, then only select the file. Then the group, suppose group is Gaurav, then only select the file. Then if the file is modified within the last 8 days, then minus 8 because it is rest. And if the file is modified within the last 8 days, then m time 1. And if I know the inode number, that is uh, n. So if inode number is n, then I num. inum will be. So if I want to find either that this file is new or file one is new, then suppose I the execute command. So execute command is a command to file. So if the if it, what all files are listed, will execute this command on that file. Then the type is, if it is a directory, then the type is D, and if it is the sorry, if it is a directory, then D, and if it is a uh, you can say file, then it is F. So now you will just type a find slash user slash, sorry, I will find slash home slash Gaurav, and that I will write in that Linux underscore Ubuntu underscore tutorials. In this folder I will just write, in this folder I will just find my a file who, whose name ends with txt. So all the text files I will find, and I will use these command, all the files I will execute rm, sorry, not rm, I will execute echo hello world, and this is. So now I will just run this command. Very simple command it is. Home Gaurav Linux Ubuntu tutorials, in that files whose name ends with txt, execute hello world. Just I will copy it and just paste it in the, oh sorry, paste it in this. See, you can see what has happened. It is hello world has become, and the file name has come. So if I don't want the file name, I will just show only hello world will. So now this is, now we'll see two interesting commands. One is the no user and second is the no group. So in no user, you it is true. It returns true if the current file belongs to a user not listed in the etc password file. So if it will return true if the current file, means the file we are searching for, one of the current files we are searching for belongs to a user which is not listed in the etc password file, and no group stands for those. It returns true if the user doesn't belong to this group in the etc group file. So now this was about the file. So now we will see more. What is more? More is a pager. So it is sometimes your files are so huge that you can't you can't display it in one screen for a time. So that's why more users and more has many commands for changing the maintaining the pager of the files. So let us see how more works. I am creating a file now. I'm just copying from the, I will type some dummy text. So now I'm just copying this file. Just a second. This file. Just go to gedit and I will just paste it. So this is a very long file. So I'm going to save this in 1 minute. I'm finding a directory in home, in Laura, in yeah, in next Ubuntu tutorials I will save this file. So this file is maths.html. This file is there, but see, I'm just typing cat. Uh, what is the name? Okay, first I have to go to the directory. Okay, so now I just clear the screen and I will just show math. See, it is such a painful thing to do. But if I use more, see now 41% more is remaining issuing. So the more commands, see, I will just you can say scroll forward n lines. So I will type 5 and enter. So after 5 and enter, it will go to fifth line. So I will just write all it down. Just make a new file. I will make a new file. So commands for more pager. So first command is control sorry n where n is an integer number. Then and so if I type 10 and then enter the uh, the uh, the document will move forward 10 lines. Now the opposite, if I the document will move backward 10 lines. Control F. If we type Control F, it will move forward one screen. If we press Control V, it will go for backward one screen. So now we'll just check one by one all the commands. So now I have typed 10 and K. I have pressed enter. Sorry, suppose now I want to go one screen down. I will press Control B, so it's gone down. Now up, again down, again up, again down, again up. So that's the way we can do it. To quit the mode timer, use quit command. So it's execute. Uh, Now suppose again I have a huge file, but I don't need. I just want 10 first 10 lines of the file. So what I will head minus and 10 and yeah. So this is a huge file minus and 10. So it will okay. So Just wait a second. Yeah, so I will type the head command on match.html. So head has returned the first 10 lines. I don't know why it's doing such. Okay, I will make a fun file. In this I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've saved this file. Now I will type head -10 long.txt. See, only up to 9 it is shown. These lines are not. So now I will just let tail minus. The n option specifies the number of lines for head and for tail. So here you can see the 1 and 2 is not missing because the last 10 lines are. So this was our head and tail commands. I will clear the screen. Now one more command is the finger. So suppose I know that I want to know how the users are using the system. So I will just red finger and it is saying no one logged in. So that's what the finger. So now yes, we will go to some important uh, terms which are there. Suppose just give me a minute. So now if I want to install PHP in this, what I will do is I will have sudo main super user privileges, instead apt repository, and install. I will just write PHP client PHP CLI. So see this. Now we will see. Now it has been installed. PHP minus p means PHP version. PHP 8.1 has been installed. Now you can see how to install uh, a web browser. So first we will try for Google Chrome. So sudo apt search search backslash dollar functional panel. I want to install uh, ham. So first we will update our repository. So to update the repository, you have to write sudo apt get search. So here you can see node. Now we just now we just installed now we just installed PHP. Now we will install node. Here to install node type sudo apt get install and then I will type node.js. So I have installed Node.js. Now we will just cross check it. I will just echo. I will just sorry that node minus v. So node has been installed, and with node npm will also install. So node and npm are installed. npm is node package manager. So now let us see if we can install them. So sudo apt get install them. Okay, let us turn it on. Yes, I will just make a file hello.php. Oh, sorry. In that I will write echo hello. So in hello dot oh sorry. I will just mistake. In this I will just echo hello world to run. I assume all of you will know PHP. So this is the file which I want to execute. So this is the file. Opening bracket, closing bracket, and echo word. So now I will run this file. See, it's showing hello world. So now PHP successfully installed. And we can run PHP. Now we installed PHP, Node, and NPM. So now